All right, let's answer this question here. It is question 19. It says, consider the recursion relation below. So as you can see here, we've got an initial amount of $2,000, and then we're simply adding 80 each time. This recursion relation could be used to model A. Now, we immediately know that it's not going to be a compound interest case because we're not timesing, we're plussing, which means it has to be simple interest. So now the case is, all right, is it a simple interest investment of 2,000 with an annual interest rate of 4%? Remember, the way that simple interest works is that you're simply earning a percentage of that initial amount. So in this case, to figure out what we need to figure out is what is 80 as a percentage of 2,000. So we're simply going to do the following. We're going to go, all right, 80 on 2,000, what is that? So if I come over here and go 80 on 2,000, that's going to give me 1 on 25. And then if I just come up here and hit Control Enter, it's going to give me 0.04. So in other words, it is going to be 4%. So to really think this through, if let's just say you sat a math test and it was out of 2,000 marks, which would be an insane math test, and you only scored 80 of those marks, you would have scored 4%. And that's what we've simply done there. We've gone 80 on 2,000 to figure out 80 as a percentage of 2,000, and we've gotten 4%. So that simply means that we've got a simple interest investment of 2,000 with an annual interest rate of 4%. And remember, we're adding 80 each time. It's simple interest. You're always just earning 4% of that original. This isn't compounding because remember, compounding, you're always taking the interest of that previous amount. If we come and look at our examiner's report here, it says, this model is an investment that grows with a constant $80 each year. The options only allow for this addition to come from interest and the constant I'm butchering reading this. Can I try this again? The options only allow for this addition to come from interest, and the constant value indicates it is simple interest. Is that worded very poorly, or is it just me unable to read? The rate of the interest per annum is given by 80 on 2,000 is equal to 0.04, which is 4%. All right, that's how you do it. Hopefully my inability to read was tolerable.